In this guide, I'll show you how to initialize or restore the settings on your Nintendo Switch 2 without deleting the saved data. So the first thing you want to do is press and hold the power button on the top of your Switch 2. And once the power options show up, we're going to go ahead and select it, and then select power off. Now once your Switch 2 is fully shut off, press and hold the up volume button and the down volume button at the same time. And while doing that, tap the power button once and continue to hold the volume buttons as your Nintendo Switch 2 starts up. So give it about 5 to 10 seconds, you should see these two logos, and now you'll be into recovery mode. So here you'll see the second option, Restore Settings, Keep User Data. So it's going to delete all data on the system except for save data, screenshots, videos, and user information. So you can select it here, and it's going to give you these warnings. I highly recommend you read through this so you understand what you're doing. And once you've done so, you can press Next, and then it's going to give you this final cautionary warning here, and if you want to restore the settings, you can select it. Now, if you don't, you can always just go back on this screen to recovery mode, and then just tap the power button once and your console will shut off. This guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.